Even with the recent market drop, the price of a single Bitcoin is around $50,000. In other words, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have been the greatest performers over the last 5 years. It's an ideal way to make money alongside similar ventures like starting a business. Plus, all of the video-related work experience could hugely boost your CV and help you get a job related to film, TV, or digital media. There are loads of ways to watch videos for money, and we'll go through the best options here. Asset type that performs. You probably know better than stocks, commodities, and even real estate in the previous few years. But we don't all have thousands of dollars to invest in Bitcoin. Sitting on the sidelines can make you feel FOMO and like you're really missing out. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you 5 legal and relatively simple ways to get some free Bitcoin. Some of these strategies are side hustles, while others are more passive, and they are completely free. You don't have to pay anything in order to get any free Bitcoin. Okay, so the first approach to obtain free Bitcoin is to use a newer software called Premise Data. Premise Data is essentially a crowdsourced data company that helps companies learn more about various marketplaces and customer behavior. So, Premise Data is a crowdsourced data startup that will pay you for taking photos of objects in your area and answering short questionnaires. Getting started with Premise Data is simple. You simply download the app and begin taking images of things in your city. It can be found in over 120 countries. You easily create an account by filling out a brief profile form, and then you may choose from a variety of jobs, such as snapping photos of things in your city and getting paid, or doing short surveys and sharing your thoughts and getting paid. It's a lot more versatile that way, and the best part about Premise Data is that you can get paid via PayPal. You can also be paid in Bitcoin, making it a fun and simple way to see your city while simultaneously earning Bitcoin. As I previously indicated, shooting photos is the most common way to get money with Premise Data, and the assignments are diverse. For example, an assignment might be to go to the grocery store and verify what kinds of cereal brands are available, or to snap a photo of a local pizza business in your city and post it. Again, because this is a crowdsourced data organization, tasks are dispersed, yet Premise Data is available in more than 120 nations. To cash out, you must earn $20, which is a bit pricey, but it is feasible if you complete enough jobs, and you can gain free Bitcoin by doing so, as previously indicated. The second approach to earn free Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies is to open a cryptocurrency interest account, which is similar to a high-interest savings account. A lot of organizations are currently offering incentives for you to open an account and deposit your Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. You can open a BLOCKFI interest account or a BIA account and deposit Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and a few other cryptos, and they'll actually pay you interest on your deposit. So one of the leaders in this space is called BLOCKFI, and like I just said, BLOCKFI lets you open a BLOCKFI interest account or a BIA account and deposit Bitcoin, Litecoin, ETH, and just a few other cryptocurrencies and stablecoins as well, as BLOCKFI will pay you monthly interest on your holdings. This isn't like a regular savings account, which may pay you as little as 1% or as little as 0.01 APY right now. BLOCKFI is paying about 5% APY on your Bitcoin, so you'll need some crypto to earn interest on your crypto. Companies like BLOCKFI are a wonderful place to start if you want to start making passive income with your crypto. Keep in mind that BLOCKFI pays interest both in cash and in kind on a monthly basis. As a result, if you deposit Bitcoin, you will earn Bitcoin interest. Keep in mind that withdrawal fees apply, so this isn't the type of account where you may deposit and withdraw Bitcoin. The third approach to obtain free Bitcoin is to use various reward programs or websites that accept cryptocurrencies as a payment option, which I've discussed extensively on this channel. There's a lot of venture capital and investor money out there. Therefore, a lot of companies are prepared to pay a lot of money to lure new users to their platform. Thus, signing up for Coinbase is one clear way to receive some free Bitcoin. I mean, it's a really popular global exchange that normally gives new users $5 worth of Bitcoin just for signing up. And one thing I really appreciate about Coinbase is that it's a pretty secure exchange. It offers a part called Coinbase Learn, where you can complete various quizzes and learning courses on various cryptocurrencies in exchange for free crypto. It's a prominent global exchange that often gives new members $5 worth of Bitcoin simply for signing up, and it's a fairly safe exchange, which I appreciate. It's fairly cool. And while some of them are obscure altcoins or newer cryptocurrency projects, there are still some cool names in there, and you can always sell those cryptocurrencies and exchange them for Bitcoin, Ethereum, or whatever cryptocurrencies you want. If you refer a friend and they spend at least $100 on Coinbase, each of you get $10 in free Bitcoin. So there should be a link down there if you want to check it out and spend some money on Coinbase and earn some free Bitcoin. You might be able to get some free crypto for trying them out, so look into it. I know Voyager does it, and I'm sure there are a slew of other exchanges and brokers that do so as well. So there are plenty of options. Use numerous reward programs or websites that accept cryptocurrencies as a payment option to get some free Bitcoin. Paid online surveys are available from companies like Swagbucks and Branded Surveys. Although the majority of them do not accept cryptocurrency payments by default, there are still certain websites and apps where you can earn free Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, or Bitcoin Cash. You can acquire free Bitcoin by taking surveys if you don't mind them. GRINDABUCK is my personal favorite survey and reward site. You can earn passive points by doing surveys, completing paid offers, and watching advertising on GrindaBucks, which you can then redeem for Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other cryptocurrencies. Another popular website for getting free Bitcoin is Coin2Play, which provides a free Bitcoin faucet where you may win modest amounts of Satoshis by rolling the dice every hour. The fifth and last approach to obtain free Bitcoin is to use various shopping extensions that pay you Bitcoin in the form of cash back. So Lolly is by far the most popular extension in this category, and it basically works like racketing, only you get free Bitcoin instead of PayPal money or cash for shopping online. You simply register an account, download the browser extension, and whenever you shop at qualified retailers, Lolly will track your purchase and give you a percentage of it back as cash back after it clears, except it's in Bitcoin. And what's interesting about it is that it works with over 1,000 brands, including Nike, Sephora, and Lowe's. It works with some really popular stores, and many of these payback rates are 5 to 10% or even more. That concludes my list of the 5 favorite ways to earn free Bitcoin. And let's be honest, none of these methods will turn you into a Bitcoin or crypto millionaire. There are survey sites, reward apps, cash app programs, and some freebies. But at the end of the day, I think this is a good way for beginners to get involved with cryptocurrency and to get rid of that, sense of FOMO you might be experiencing. Finally, while not everyone has thousands of dollars to invest in cryptocurrencies, I hope you can at least earn some free Bitcoin. Perhaps you know how to get free additional cryptocurrencies to help you scratch that itch and learn more about the amazing options available. Even if you only register an account with BLOCKFI or something similar and deposit $100 worth of Bitcoin, it might be the start of a new investment habit. Or at the very least, educate you on the fundamentals of what a lot of this stuff is all about. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed it. If you know any other ways to get free crypto or Bitcoin, please let me know in the comments so that others can benefit as well. What do you think about today's video? Share with us in the comment section below. And don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about how you can make money online.